Hello everyone, and today we'll be talking about different kind of processes. So a process is just essentially something that you can launch an application with, and it'll go internally and launch that application. So what we're going to do is add a couple buttons. Copy, paste, and we're gonna say this button will open a calc. This button will open WordPad, and then this button will open GIMP or internet. So if we click these, with that, we're going to then add something. We're going to do what's called a using system.diagnostics. And just by adding just the diagnostics, all of it will be included. So if we did what? Process.start calc, that would work. 2 would be process.start WordPad or Notepad. We can do either or if that doesn't work. And then .start Explorer. So let's see what happens here. So if we decide to hit calculator, boom, the calculator shows up. Look at that. Look how cool that is. If we hit WordPad, WordPad shows up. And then if we hit Explorer, our Explorer shows up. Not the Internet Explorer. So if we did Internet Explorer, ooh, so what kind of process is that? Well, we don't have to worry about that. We can just do I think there's games on here still. This accessories. We can do Notepad++. I think that would work. And there we go. Notepad++ comes up. So with that is the last portion of the process. This is all processes, and if so, this is really short tutorial for today, but if you guys like it and you want me to continue doing processes stuff, just let me know. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that would be fantastic as well. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day.